Okay, I'm going to do a little supplemental video here on this two-tone bug. Now this remote has got version 1.10 in it. This also applies to version 1.00. I did a video yesterday. That video could be a little bit misleading to folks, okay, because I was moving the tone break around, okay. Sensitive program is what we're going to use. Select two tones, okay. Expert. Now you see that screen right there? If I go down like so, okay, since you only have one tone break, if I hit that plus key right now, you see what happened? It goes to 0. Okay? So you don't have to lower your tone break below 0 to get this thing to act up. Okay? Now what we'll do is we'll get out of here. We'll go over here to the fast program. I'll show you here. Two tones. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We're in two tones in the fast program. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the screen up. Instead of using the expert two-tone screen, and this is what you need to probably be doing with this machine because you can't advance your tone break. It'll go back to 0. So this is how you would actually do it. So let's say you wanted to raise your disc, we'll just say 8 in the fast program, okay? Now we can go in here and we can look at this and you see what you have. But if you hit that plus key right now, this thing will go back to 0, your tone break. So we're not going to do that. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to save this program. This actually affects your save programs as well, and I will show you here. We'll call this thing 444. You see it there. Okay, so now we've got our save program open. So we're going in here. You see that two tones there? Expert. Now I saved this program again. I can lower, I'm going to use the minus key here. I can lower this, okay? But if I lower this below 0, the plus key will only bring it back to 0, okay? I can lower it some like I'm doing. So I wanted to lower it to 6.8. And I want to use the machine, that's fine. But what about if I lower it to 6.8 as I've done here and I decide, oh, I don't like that. I want to raise it back to 8. There's the plus key. Watch what happens. You see that? So if you need to raise if you're in two-tone and you need to raise your tone break, do it in the disc screen. You know, the main disc screen. Just do it like that right there. Okay? Now we'll go to one more program here and I'll show you. You seen me yesterday maybe when I did a video. We'll just go here to Deus Mono. Okay. Two tones. Select. Okay. So I can lower this using the minus key and get away with it. Okay. I just can't raise it. I can lower it all the way down. Wherever I want it, I just can't move it up. So I need to go exit here and go to the main disc screen to raise it using two-tone. But if I do go down here and I go below 0, if I do go below 0, the plus key on this thing will actually work. See that? The only problem is it'll only get me to 0. Okay, that's as far as I can get. Again, I would need to exit here, and then set my tone break using that part there. The main disc screen you're seeing there, using the plus and minus keys. And this has been here, I'm using the plus key, okay? I hope this sort of clears this up for folks. You do have a good workaround using two tones, okay? I've showed you how to do it. XP is aware of this and they're working it. Hope you enjoyed.